The first thing we need to do is set up the header and footer, which contains all the essential elements of the project. To set up the header and footer, navigate to the File menu and select Printing and Reports. On the left-hand side, you should see an option for Top Sheet, which will lead you to the Budget Information Report. From there, click on Header and begin setting up the project's header. Start by giving the project a name. For our purposes, we'll call it The Sex Appeal of an AI. I am biased, I know. Sue me. You can enter all the information manually, or you can use the blue tags provided. Play around with it and see what works best for you. In the left box, enter all the information you currently have about the project, such as the type of project it is, feature film, documentary, movie of the week, crew members attached so far, director, writer, producer, and the name of the person who prepared the budget. So they'll know who to call with questions. The more information you include, the more realistic the package looks. In the right section, write down the project's facts, such as the location of principal photography, start and finish dates, length of principal photography, and unions involved with the project. We will talk more about unions in the later stage of the budget. This information is essential to show investors that the project has a solid foundation. You can create different headers for different pages by clicking on the upper left corner, and creating a different header for each page. I prefer one header that I place on the first page, the top sheet page. The same process can be applied if you like to create a footer for your budget. However, I prefer to leave it empty since everything is included in the header, and I want investors to focus only on the numbers. The choice is yours. The upper links in this section include controls that you can adjust for your look and feel, such as changing the font size and color, orientation, etc. I have included a link to a tutorial from Movie Magic Budgeting about the setup of the header and footer. Navigate to the Include section where we will implement measures to ensure that the budget does not display any zero or empty accounts. In the Top Sheet tab, we will exclude all accounts with zero total values. In the Included Accounts section, we will exclude empty accounts, zero total accounts, and the Suppress Detail line. Within the Account Details settings, you have the option to choose whether to display the fringes breakdown. For our project, we want to show the fringes breakdown, so we will leave it unticked. Every project is distinct with its own unique elements and requirements. For instance, a drama genre project will differ in its needs compared to a sci-fi film. Throughout our course, we will focus on the elements that are relevant to our project and exclude those that are not. This approach helps us avoid unnecessary clutter, as those excluded elements would appear as zero accounts in the budget. Suppressing zero and empty accounts is crucial in streamlining the budget and preventing it from becoming as long as the script itself. After applying the changes we made to the header and footer, let's close out of this window and move on to setting up the next item on the budget.